Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Welcome back to the showroom. Let's have a look at another great Hyundai Tucson pre-owned vehicle. Finished in that nice crystal metallic white. Everyone really seems to love Tucson white, so every time we get one, we're so excited. And they don't last long, guys. This is the premium all-wheel drive package. You can see it. All-wheel drive. You get the upgraded alloy wheels. You got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. Nice safety features. You got the side rails, so you can always add cross rails through our accessory department and have an opportunity to throw a ski box or kayak carrier up there, something like that. With nice fog lights. And I've got this one started because I want to cool it down so when I get inside I don't roast. So appreciate you listening to this vehicle. Man, nice, the hood's in nice shape, no major stone chips or anything like that. As is the roof. We like to show you this. It's all about transparency, right? So if you're like me doing a little couch shopping, this way you know exactly what you're looking at. I forgot to unlock it, so let me just take a step back. Unlock those doors. All right, here we go. So good sized trunk. We'll keep the mats back there, keep them nice and clean. So in good sized trunk, you got anchors on all three seats. The seats are 60-40 split folding, so you can fold those seats down. Get the additional cargo space if you're doing a little project at home. Get your spare down there. Hopefully you never have to use it, but if you do, it's there. So again, good sized trunk, versatile, throw those seats down, extra room. All right, what else we got in this one? You got privacy glass, which is nice. Got nice cloth seats. Carpets are in nice shape. Oh, someone left a pen there. I'll take that out. You got some cup holders here. Fold them up, room for 5. You got some vents back here. Keep your passengers nice and cool. Heated seats, 2-stage on the outside rear seats. Power windows as well. All things you'd expect to find. Didn't expect to find a pen, but now I got one. All right. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well. Keep those kids safe. You have an adjustable driver's seat, so up, down, front to back. And you also have the lever to move the seats back and forth. So again, lots of standard features there. You have standard features. That's basically to be expected, right? You have interior illumination, which you can adjust. You have lane departure warning or blind spot detection, we'll call it. Traction control, which you can shut off as well. I'm gonna jump in this Tucson. Oh yeah, there's the air conditioning. All right, so you got a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You got Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition, all your volume controls on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you got all your cruise controls. You also got basically a system where you can toggle through some of the preferences and adjust the vehicle to personalize the vehicle to your settings. You have drive modes, so you can drive in normal or sport or eco mode. Again, it's all about personalized preferenceization. You have 4-wheel drive lock for a really cold, snowy winter day and you can't get out of your driveway, make sure you hit that button. Downhill brake assist control. You got all your auxiliaries and plug-ins here. You've got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You've got heated steering wheel as well. I'm not going to turn those on because I don't want to roast. You have all your hazards as well, standard. Nice, good heads-up display, backup camera, all standard. Your radio, let's see, AM, FM, XM. So again, if you have an XM satellite subscription, you want to throw it in this vehicle, you have the ability to do that. You can try it out, do a little trial run, get a 30-day. I'm not even sure if they offer that. I'm sure they do if you haggle with them. But again, XM radio capabilities or compatibility. So you try it out. It's cool. I love XM radio. Cloth's in nice shape. Dash is in good shape. The vehicle is an overall a very nice shaped vehicle. Premium, all-wheel drive, tons of standard features. Don't miss out. Shop 24/7 at SeawayHyundai.com. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this vehicle or any other newer pre-owned vehicle you see in our stock. You know, and make sure you follow us on Facebook. Very important. Follow us on Facebook. We're always doing tons of giveaways. So whether you're in the market or not, it is important to follow us on Facebook. We'll see you soon.